Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and today I'm going to be making a yummy dessert wrap, this kind of tortilla wrap that it's been making rounds on the internet, so I thought I'm going to recreate it. So this is the wrap that I saw online. My friend kind of sent me pictures of this. So what you need to do, you need a wrap. So this is a whole grain wrap that I've got. You just need to slice it into the middle, kind of in one end, and this will be our butter, nut butter bit. So on 1/4 we're going to be putting some nut butter. So I'm using almond butter, but you could use peanut butter as well. That's probably actually about 1.5 tablespoons. So just to cover that 1/4 here. For the next quarter you want bananas. So I've got about half of a large banana chopped up here. Kind of put it in the second quarter here. So now on to our third quarter, which is jam. So I've got some raspberry jam here. I really love raspberry jam. That's, I think, my favorite. But you could, put strawberry jam or any kind of other jam, but peanut butter and jelly. So this is a vegan peanut butter and jelly kind of wrap with melted chocolate as well. So that's kind of what it is. So also about 1.5 tablespoons or so. Just for this other quarter. The last quarter I've got some dark chocolate chips, so just sprinkle them on also about about 1.5 tablespoons or so. We're also going to put our pan on, so you could use either non-stick pan for this, or you could also use a panini grill if you've got one. So you just want to put it onto kind of medium low to heat it up a little bit, and don't put the chocolate buttons too close to the edge because they're gonna ooze out into the pan otherwise. So our pan is preheated pretty much. So next step is to now wrap this kind of sweet dessert tortilla, if you like. So gonna fold it once like this, then fold it onto the jam, and then the last one folded onto the chocolate like that. And then I'm gonna just place it in the frying pan on the chocolate side, let it melt a little bit first, and then we're gonna flip it onto the other side. So I can see that my chocolate has started melting there at the bottom. So I'm gonna just flip it over carefully and cook the other side. See how it's kind of melted and it's browned a little bit on that side. This is not one of these super healthy desserts because it still has jam that's got sugar in it, and also quite a bit of peanut butter and also chocolate. So it's not whole foods dessert, vegan dessert per se, but once in a while it's quite a nice treat. I think it would be a really fun dessert to make with kids as well. So let's check. And the other side is nicely browned now. So that is it. So the only problem with this now is that I've heard my husband got back from work, so unfortunately I'll have to share it with him. Let's see if he wants to taste test it for you. Here he is. I think he probably didn't hear what I was saying just before that. Unfortunately, I'll now, because he's back, I'll now have to share it with him.
Ah, you weren't planning to share it, were you not?
Well, I don't know about that. But anyway, because we only had one wrap left, so yeah. So let's cut into this through all the lovely layers. So you've got the melted chocolate, the bananas, the peanut butter, and the jelly.
Jam, you mean?
Well,
Only Americans call it jelly.
Well, there's quite a few of them watching, I think, so
hi, Americans.
Be careful.
I'm not saying
what
it's wrong.
saying?
I'm just saying we're in the UK, and in the UK we say jam.
Yeah, we'll put that banana in. So yeah, so grab whichever bit you want. I know you go for the bigger one.
Is that bigger, is it? Just less
a bit
messy.
neater, yeah. Right, let's give it a go. Yum. So moreish. And I really need a cup of tea with this, because it's like really nice and sweet, and you get the almond butter, not peanut butter. Why did I say peanut butter? This is almond butter, yeah.
Ah.
You can't make it with peanut butter to make it proper peanut butter and jelly, as they call it, but or jam.
It doesn't work as well in British.
Yeah, but so yeah, so any kind of nut butter I think would work here. But yeah, it's so delicious, isn't it?
It's really good, actually. Yeah. You could have too much of this.
Yeah, you could easily overindulge. So yeah, so guys, so we tried this craze right now. Let us know if you tried it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel for more experiments and vegan yummy recipes on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And as always, remember, food is fuel.
So be mindful of what you put in the body.
Yeah, so don't eat too many of these. Okay, until next time.
Bye, guys.